In this video, you will see two versions of the Squib Cakes groove. One from my Grooving and Shredding in Paradise video, and one that I recorded with my What is Hip video the other night. Each transcription is slightly different because I ad-libbed the groove, but I made sure I played David's signature part in bars 3 and 4 using his exact sticking. I'll play a medium version, and then I'll slow down each groove so you can see exactly what is happening. Let's take a look at the first version right now. Let's slow it right down. Here is a slightly different version from my Grooving and Shredding in Paradise video. Let's slow that down again. All you have to do now is go to nickbukeydrums.com and download the free transcription so you can start learning it. And feel free to tag me on Instagram if you decide to record this groove using my chart. I'll be doing a few more David Garibaldi lessons in the future, so feel free to suggest a few songs in the comments as well. Remember to like this video and subscribe, and check out my other lessons up here and up here. Why don't you also binge watch one of my old playlists? All of my very first videos are starting to get heaps of views lately. Go back and do a big binge session of them if you have time during this isolation. That's it from me now. Stay safe, and I will see you in the next video. Later.